This video will show you how to install R and RStudio step by step on Windows in under 5 minutes. The first step is to open your browser. In this case, I'll be using Chrome. Using the address bar, go to www.r-project.org. On the left side, you should see a link for a page named CRAN. Click that link. You will now be looking at a page that may be a little intimidating, but it is just a list of partner institutions that are hosting a copy of the R software. Since we're in the US, we're going to scroll down to the USA section, and I'll select the first one, Iowa State University. You'll now be presented with a list of operating systems. Since we're using Windows, select Download R for Windows. Click on the link with the name Base on this page, then click Download R. Your browser should now start downloading the R software. Once it's done, using the address bar, go to www.rstudio.com. In the top right of the page, click Download. Scroll down and click Download underneath the RStudio Desktop Free option. Then click the Download RStudio for Windows button. Your browser should now start downloading the RStudio software. After that's done, go to the directory where you downloaded the files. In my case, I have put them on the desktop. You should now have two setup files, one for R and one for RStudio. You'll need to install the base R software first. Double-click on the setup file for R. Press Next, 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 and Next. Check Create a Desktop shortcut on this page, then Next again. Once the install completes, press Finish. You'll notice two icons on your desktop, RI386 and RX64. Delete the shortcut to RI386. This is for legacy computers and we won't be using it. Next, open the setup file for RStudio. Press Next, Next, and Next. You'll notice there is no shortcut for RStudio on the desktop, so let's make one. Open the Start menu and expand the RStudio folder. Drag the RStudio icon onto your desktop. It's smart to clean up and delete the setup files to save disk space, as you won't need them anymore. Open RStudio to test it out. Press No when prompted to upload crash reports. If you see the R command line, you're done.